The one whom the Creator saw and revealed, the one whom Indra perceived in all four directions. Knowing him, I become immortal. I know not anyone else other than him.
Sahasrashirasham Devam Vishwaksham Vishwashambhuvam Vishwam Narayanam Devam Aksharam Paramam Padam.
This universe is the eternal being Narayana. He is the imperishable, the supreme and the goal. He is the countless-headed, countless-eyed, omnipresent and omniscient, the resplendent, the source of delight for the whole universe.
Vishwatah Paraman Nityam Vishwam Narayanagum Harim Vishwamevedam Purushastad Vishwamupajivati.
This universe is the supreme being alone, hence it subsists on him. I meditate on this eternal, omnipresent God Narayana, who destroys all our sins.
Patim Vishwasyatmeshwaragum Shashwatagum Shivamachyutam Narayanam Mahageyam Vishwatmanam Parayanam.
He is the protector of the universe, the Lord of all souls, the perpetual one, the auspicious, the indestructible, and the goal of all creation. He is the supreme object worthy of being known, the soul of all beings, and the unfailing refuge. I meditate on you, O Narayana.
Narayana Paro Jyotiratma Narayana Paraha Narayana Param Brahma Tattvam Narayana Paraha Narayana Paro Dhyata Dhyanam Narayana Paraha.
The Lord Narayana is the supreme absolute. Narayana is the supreme reality. Narayana is the supreme light. Narayana is the supreme self. Narayana is the supreme meditator. Narayana is the supreme meditation.
Yaccha kinchit jagat sarvam drishyate shruyate piva antarbahishcha tat sarvam vyapya narayana sthitah.
Whatever in this universe is, seen or heard of, pervading all this from inside and outside alike, stands supreme the eternal divine being, Narayana.
Anantam avyayam kavigum samudre tam vishwasha
is the limitless, imperishable, omniscient, residing in the ocean of the heart, the cause of the happiness of the universe, the supreme end of all striving. He manifests himself in the ether of the heart, which is comparable to an inverted bud of the lotus flower.
अधो निष्ट्यावितस्यान्ते नाभ्यामुपरितिष्ठति ज्वालमालाकुलं भाति विश्वस्यायतनं महत्.
Below the Adam's apple, at a distance of a span, and above the navel is the heart, which is the relative seat of the manifestation of pure consciousness in the human being. It effulges the great abode of the universe, as if adorned with garlands of flames.
सन्ततगुं शिलाभिस्तुलं भक्त्याघोषसन्निभं तस्यान्ते सुशिरगुं सूक्ष्मं तस्मिन् सर्वं प्रतिष्ठितम्.
Surrounded on all sides by nerve currents or arteries, suspends the lotus bud of the heart in an inverted position. It is in a subtle space, a narrow aperture, the Sushumna Nari, and therein is to be found the substratum of all things.
तस्य मध्ये महानग्निर्विश्वाचिर्विश्वतोमुखः सोऽग्रभुग्विभजन्तिष्ठन्नाहारमजरं कविः.
In that space, within the heart, resides the great flame of fire, undecaying, all-knowing, with tongues spread out in all directions, with faces turned everywhere, consuming food presented before it and assimilating it unto itself.
धैर्यभूतमदशायी सन्तता सन्तापयति स्वं देहमापादतलमस्तकः तस्य मध्ये वह्निशिखा अनियोद्वा व्यवस्थितः.
His rays, spreading all around, sideways as well as above and below, warm up the whole body from head to foot. In the center of that flame abides the tongue of fire, as the topmost of all subtle things.
नीरतो यदमध्यस्था विद्युल्लेखे बभास्वरा नीवारशोकवर्तन्वी पीताभा स्वत्यनुपमा.
Slender like the awn of a paddy grain, yellow, the golden color in subtlety compared to the minute atom. This tongue of fire grows splendid, brilliant like a streak of lightning, set in the midst of the blue rain-bearing clouds.
तस्या शिखाया मध्ये परमात्मा व्यवस्थितः सब्रह्म सशिवः सहरिसेन्द्र सोऽक्षरः परमस्वराट्.
In the middle of that flame, the Supreme Self dwells. This Self is Brahma, the Creator, Shiva, the Destroyer, Hari, the Protector, Indra, the Ruler, the Imperishable, the Absolute, the Autonomous Being. Prostrations again and again to the Omniformed Being.
ऋतगं सत्यं परं ब्रह्म पुरुषं कृष्णपिङ्गलम् ऊर्ध्वरेतं विरूपाक्षं विश्वरूपाय वै नमो नमः.
Prostrations again and again to the omniformed being, the truth, the law, the supreme absolute, the Purusha of blue-decked yellow hue. He is the centralized force, power, the all-seeing one.
नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णुः प्रचोदयात्.
We commune ourselves with Narayana and meditate on Vasudeva. May that Vishnu direct us to the great goal.
Om Shanti Shanti.
Beneath thy sheltering wings we see no dust, no fear, no withered dreams. With Sai, our Guru, our divine solace, faith and patience we reinstate. Thy words are a reaffirmation to our wanting souls. Thy grace restores, heals, renews our thoughts discomposed. Thy love, thy benevolence we cannot measure. To our Mother Sai we all surrender.
O Lord, take my love and let it flow in fullness of devotion to Thee. O Lord, take my hands and let them work incessantly for Thee. O Lord, take my soul and let it be merged in one with Thee. O Lord, take my mind and thoughts and let them be in tune with Thee. O Lord, take my everything and let me be an instrument to work for Thee.
त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव. Dear Lord Sai, you are our mother and father. You are our relative and our friend. You are our wisdom and our wealth. You are our divine light. We surrender ourselves to Thee. Om Shri Sai Ram. We, the alumni of Shri Satya Sai Higher Secondary School, offer our prayerful pranams to our beloved Bhagavan with utmost love and gratitude for his love. We humbly welcome one and all for today's virtual presentation. We feel immensely fortunate and blessed for the profound grace and compassion the Avatar has bestowed upon us. It's an honor to call ourselves Sai students. In his numerous discourses, Bhagavan has declared that the students are his property. To be known as the property of the Divine Master has been an exceptional privilege we could have had in this lifetime and in all those to come. The bond between Bhagavan and his students cannot be described. This divine bond is beyond the words of the greatest poet or the understanding of the greatest philosopher. It is an eternal relationship between him and us. A bond so special that has to be experienced to be understood. Bhagavan has nourished us, guided us, and guarded us as the Supreme Mother and the Divine Teacher. He has been and will always be the charioteer of our lives. Knowing that our lives are driven by our beloved Bhagavan gives us comfort and peace, and on our part, we must honestly immerse ourselves in the duties life has entrusted to us. Seeking Bhagavan's blessings and permission, we now take this opportunity to put forth a humble presentation signifying the relationship between Sarathi, our Lord Sai, Shiksha, the learning he imparted to us within the warmth of primary school building, and Shishya, us disciples and our experiences. This story is an illustration of one of the many experiences that has been etched on our souls when our divine Guru taught his disciples the essence of life and way of living. A lesson taught since the beginning of time, scripted in Bhagavad Gita and illustrated by our own sweet Mother Sai. We pray to our beloved Bhagavan, Lord, You are our Sanatana Sarathi, the eternal charioteer. Pull us, your Shishya, your humble disciples, with the strings of Shiksha. Education for life and not merely for a living, and steer us in the right direction. Jai Sai Ram.
Memories, memories. There are so many precious memories of my school days. I feel so blessed, Veda, every time that I look at them.
Share some with us, Amma. What are your favorite ones?
There are a lot of unforgettable ones during my stay in Puttaparthi. But thinking of them makes me remember almost everything so vividly. Our dear Mother Sai had taught us in simple words. He gave us profound lessons and meaningful teachings. That's so important for all of us to remember.
Bhagwan used to teach you himself. Tell us some of them. What did Bhagwan teach you all?
Hey Shania, let me help you.
Oh Saraka, that's so sweet of you to help your sister. Bhagwan loves it when people help other people. He says, hands that help are holier than lips that pray.
What else does he say?
He says that the best way to love God is through service, and we should do the service without expecting anything in return. And these acts of service should be done with love in our hearts. Bhagwan says,
love all, serve all, help ever, hurt never.
The best way to love God is to love all, serve all.
The best way to love God is to love all and serve all.
మనం అందరినీ ప్రేమించాలి.
We should love all.
అందరినీ సేవించాలి.
We should serve all.
సేవే మనకు ప్రధానమైనటువంటి కర్తవ్యం.
Service is our duty.
కానీ ఈ డ్యూటీ ఆ డ్యూటీని గవర్నమెంట్ డ్యూటీస్ కాదు మనకు.
It's not official duty or government duty.
తోటి మానవులను సేవించి
we should serve our
తోటి మానవులను ఆనందపరిచి
we should make brother happy.
తోటి మానవులను సుఖపెట్టడమే మన కర్తవ్యం.
Our duty lies in making our brother happy.
కనుకనే మొట్టమొదట మనము సర్వీస్ లో ప్రయాణం కావాలి.
First we should take the path of service.
ఈ సర్వీస్ లో మనం ప్రయాణమైనప్పుడే మానవత్వం అనేటువంటిది సార్థకమవుతుంది.
When once we take this journey of service, our life would be redeemed.
Highest sadhana is to transform love into service.
Bhagwan taught us that prayer provides a foundation for faith. It's a conversation with the Divine Lord and helps us to seek His truth every day. Prayer brings us closer to God and provides us a means to depend on His grace and love.
Jagatpate Hari Sai Gopala, Jagatpate Hari Sai Gopala.
Do you remember what Bhagwan taught us about the importance of teachers?
Yes, Amma. Bhagwan taught us that teachers are caretakers of knowledge. They have a very honorable task. They teach us what they know and what they have learned.
That's right, Anya. Teachers are a very valuable and an integral part of our lives. They teach us everything we need to know about this world, how to live a good life while continuing our journey to God. So let us prostrate to our eternal Guru. Let us prostrate to the God of intellect and wisdom, Lord Ganesha. Let us prostrate to our Vedamata, Goddess Saraswati. Let us prostrate to the three Murtis, Lord Brahma, the creator, Lord Vishnu, the sustainer, and Lord Maheshwara, the destroyer.
मूषिकवाहनमोदकहस्त चामरकर्णविलम्बितसूत्र वामनरूप महेश्वरपुत्र विघ्नविनायकपाद नमस्ते मूषिकवाहनमोदकहस्त चामरकर्णविलम्बितसूत्र वामनरूप महेश्वरपुत्र विघ्नविनायकपाद नमस्ते विघ्नविनायकपाद नमस्ते
सरस्वती नमस्ताभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः
Amma, can you please tell me what did Bhagwan teach you?
Harsha, Bhagwan taught us about selfless service or Nishkama Karma.
Amma, what is Nishkama Karma?
When you do an action without expectations of any reward, then such an action becomes selfless service. And when you perform such actions, the reward what you get is much beyond your expectations. Bhagwan taught us that service is paramount. Without service, we remain selfish creatures who lead miserable lives. You enjoyed today's Narayan Seva, right? Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Yes. Did you feel happy?
Yes.
Yes. So service provides us the ability to share the joy of our lives and celebrate it with everyone.
నీ సేవ నీ భవిష్యత్తుకు ఒక ఉత్తమమైనటువంటి స్థితిని అందిస్తుంది. నేను సేవ చేస్తున్నాను అనేటువంటి అహంకారంతో కాకుండా భగవంతుడు నాకు ఇట్టి పవిత్రమైనటువంటి సేవాభావంను సేవాకర్మను నాకు అనుగ్రహించాడని ఆనందంతో నీవు సేవ చేయడానికి పూనుకో. ఏది చేసినప్పటికీ తనకు తాను చేసుకున్నట్టుగా భావించుకొని సేవ లోపల మనం పూనుకోవాలి. ఒక చిన్న ఉదాహరణ, నీ ఇంటికి ఎవరైనా ఒక మిత్రుడు వచ్చాడు. ఆ మిత్రుడు వచ్చిన తక్షణమే హలో కమాన్ కమాన్ అని చెప్పి నేను డ్రాయింగ్ రూమ్ లోకి తీసుకెళ్లి కూర్చోబెట్టి ఒక కప్ కాఫీ ఇచ్చేసేసినావు. కానీ ఈ దృశ్యము ఆ వచ్చినటువంటి మిత్రుని యొక్క చిత్తము లోపల హత్తుకొని పోతుంది. తదుపరి నీవు అతని గృహమునికి ఎప్పుడైనా వెళ్ళినప్పుడు అతను కూడా నువ్వు కమాన్ కమాన్ అని పిలిచేసేస్తాడు. తిరిగి ఆ కప్ కాఫీ నీకు ఇస్తాడు. కనుక ఈనాడు నీవిచ్చినటువంటి కాఫీ నీవు హెల్ప్ కోసం కాదు, భవిష్యత్తులో నీకు రిటర్న్ అవుతుంది. అట్లు కాకుండా ఎవరైనా ఒక మిత్రుడు ఏ విధమైనటువంటి ఆధారము లేకుండా ఎవరి సహాయము లేనటువంటి స్థితి లోపల హాస్పిటల్ లోపల ప్రవేశించాడనుకో, అప్పుడు నీవు వెళ్ళి అతనికి అనేక రకములైనటువంటి సేవలే నీవు చేసినావంటే ఏనాడైనా కూడాను మనకు అట్టి పరిస్థితి ఏర్పడినప్పుడు తిరిగి ఆ మిత్రుడు వచ్చి తప్పక నీకు ఆ యొక్క సేవను అందిస్తుంటాడు. కనుక ఈనాడు చేసినటువంటి సేవ మన నిమిత్తమై భవిష్యత్తులో మనం భద్రం చేసుకున్నామే కానీ పరులకు చేశాము మనం సేవ అనేటువంటి యొక్క ప్రతిఫల నిమిత్తమై మనం ఏమాత్రం కూడా ఆశించరాదు.
This reminds me of my school days, especially Christmas Day.
The year was 1993. Sai Kulwant Hall was being renovated. Bhagwan had been away to Bangalore for most part of the year. Life in Parthi had come to a standstill. Life felt like a poem without any feelings, like a body without a soul, and like a heart without its heartbeat. We just seemed to be existing. Everything seemed to have become lifeless and meaningless. We were eagerly waiting for the dawn that would dispel the darkness surrounding our hearts. We were longing for His divine darshan.
It was a regular school day. We were all gathered in our respective classrooms. Some of us half-heartedly sunk into our books, while some of us whiled away our time. And at that moment, a conversation stirred amongst us.
Is it just me? Or are the birds and the flowers and the trees also looking sad?
They are. Bhagwan's been gone for so long that everything seems lifeless. But what's the point in moping about it? Let's do something to brighten up everyone's mood.
Okay, but what should we do?
Why don't we put up a skit to entertain everyone? What about Mirdad?
Not Mirdad. The mood is already so somber. We need something that will spread cheer and joy.
Hey, aren't cheer and joy synonymous with Christmas? It's November already. Why don't we plan something around a Christmas theme?
Superb idea! We can make a full Christmas scene.
And we can have a manger, baby Jesus, Santa Claus.
And a Christmas tree.
Yeah, and let's also decorate the lobby and make it look festive and beautiful. They're sure to cheer everyone up.
Yay! I feel better already. Let's get to work.
let's get to work. We have so much planning to do. We have very less time at hand. Let's assign duties to each one so it'll be easier and faster.
We were determined. Determined as determined can be. Achieving our goal was the only option, so we had to get creative. We organized ourselves in small teams and got to work. The sequence of events went something like this. After we said our night prayers and the lights were turned off, we lay in our beds, eyes tightly shut, pretending to be fast asleep. As soon as we heard some snores, a chain reaction began. The one who was awake woke up the others. Our idea was to surprise our aunties, teachers, and children, so we had to be organized and united. We started sneaking out of our dormitory in groups of 2s and 3s. There were a lot of hushes and shushes because silence had to be maintained at all times. For the first time, we understood the meaning of pin drop silence. The dormitory next door was empty, so it became our workspace.
Did you find the streamers? Where is the streamers? Go there. Go to your right. Where? There, onto the table. Oh, is it?
We also had a cheering committee that kept us going with their lively chats, telling us to hurry. One of the things we remember from that night was getting a hold of the keys to our classroom. Putting all our faith in our prayers, our naughty crew somehow got a hold of those keys. It was like the universe had conspired in our favor. And the entire school was asleep, as though Bhagwan had willed it that way. Twas the night before Christmas, a silent night for everyone, a night of hushes and shushes for us. While the whole world slept in heavenly peace, we were sneaking our way from the dormitory to the lobby, transporting our decorations. We transferred each piece while holding our breaths and chanting his divine name. Without a sound, we brought out the Christmas tree, which we had tucked away in our classroom. We had managed to make a stable with Mother Mary holding baby Jesus in her arms, and Father Joseph was staring at them very lovingly, and the 3 messengers approaching the scene. Oh, and we also had a life-size Santa Claus that felt so real, the shepherds would surely have quaked at the sight. Finally, we placed a chair for Bhagwan, hoping and praying for a miracle. How glorious it would be to witness the radiant beams from his holy face.
Finally, our hard work, nurtured with love, cooperation, and surrender, paid off. It was all ready for the big show. The beautifully decorated stable, the colorfully lit lobby, and carols resonating. The joy on the faces of the little children was the happiness that we all needed. Sairam, children, go down the stairs in a single file. No talking. Sairam, go down quietly.
Oh wow! What is all this? Wow! Looks like Santa has gifts for our school! So beautiful! Oh look! There's a stable with baby Jesus, Mother Mary, Joseph, and the 3 wise men! You missed the Santa and the Christmas tree on the side!
Children, I said no talking. Why has the line stopped? Sairam! Who did all this? Headmiss Auntie did not inform us about any celebration at school. On Christmas morning, our hearts filled with joy, we headed for darshan. The little boys were holding our card for blessings. Bhagwan, wearing a sweet smile, walked towards the boys, looked at our card, read through it, and blessed it. Then the boys humbly pleaded with him to visit our school. He simply smiled and walked by. His imprint on our card made our day and rejuvenated us. While Bhagwan was returning to his abode, Warden Auntie raised herself on her knees and said, "Swami, please come to the school. The children have put up some decorations and are very eager to have you visit the school." With a mischievous smile on his face, he replied, "No time."
We returned to school with a mixed bag of emotions, happiness and hope. As we stepped into the lobby, we saw some of the paper decorations and balloons strewn on the floor. We got busy trying to fix them. Some of us had returned to our classrooms, while some of us were still held up in the lobby. And to our surprise, we heard Warden Auntie announcing the arrival of our beloved Bhagwan. Our prayers had been answered. The red Mercedes stopped in the portico. We had not rehearsed for such a situation, even in our dreams. News of his arrival spread like wildfire, and the entire school crowd was down instantly to share the joy of his divine presence. He cut the ribbon and lovingly looked at life-size Santa and turned to look all around with a mischievous smile. He bent over to look into the manger and very lovingly said, "Achha hai, achha hai." He then proceeded towards the chair we had decorated for him and seated himself, gazing at all his shishyas with all the love and affection in his eyes. Our happiness knew no bounds. As Bhagwan was ready to depart, Headmiss Auntie did the Aarti. What more could we ask for?
In the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, "Mai sarvani karmani sanyasya adhyatma chetasa nirasi nirmamo bhutva yudasva vigajvaraha." O Arjuna, surrender all your work unto me. With your mind fully intent on me and without desire for gain and free from all egoism and lethargy, be engaged in the battle, fight. This was a divine siksha by Bhagwan to his Sishyas. The omniscient, omnipotent Lord had blessed our selfless efforts. The Lord taught us the essence of Bhagavad Gita in a very simple and subtle way. The divine Sarathi, our charioteer, had blessed his Sishyas. We will always cherish and strive to make our world a better place without expecting any material benefits. Thereon, the magic, the legacy of the Christmas of 1993 will live on and on forever in our hearts.
तेरी है ज़मीन तेरा आसमान, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शिश कर सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे साईं मेरे, तू बख्शिश कर।
ప్రేమ స్వరూపులైన విద్యార్థులారా, ప్రేమ స్వరూపులైన విద్యార్థులారా,
I keep feeling your love in me over and over again. I keep feeling your love in me over and over again. It grows sweeter and sweeter as the days go by. Oh, what a love between my Lord and I, my Lord and I, my Messiah and I, my Messiah and I, my Messiah and I. I keep feeling your love in me over and over again, over and over again, over and over again.
ప్రైమరీ స్కూలు, కాలేజీ, హైయర్ సెకండరీ స్కూల్ పిల్లలంతా కూడా నా వెంటనే ఉంటుంటారు. వాళ్ళు వదిలి వారు పోరు, వారిని వదిలి నేను ఉండలేను. అందరూ మంచి బంగారు. నా పిల్లల యొక్క పరిస్థితి నాకు తెలుసు, కానీ మరొకరు తెలియదు. పిల్లలందరూ కూడాను స్వామి అంటే ప్రాణం ఇస్తున్నారు. అందువల్ల వారికి నేను ఎప్పుడైనా సరే నేను వారిని ప్రాణసంరక్షణ చేస్తాను. పిల్లలందరూ కూడా సుక్షేమంగా జీవించాలి. మీరు ఎక్కడుండినా కూడా నేను వెంట జంట ఇంట ఉంటాను. రేపటి నుంచి కూడాను మీరు ఏ పని చేసినా కానీ ఇది స్వామి పని, స్వామి పని, స్వామి పని అనుకొని చేయండి. మీ భావములు ఎవరు కూడాను, తల్లిదండ్రులు కూడాను అర్థం చేసుకోవటం లేదు. అది నాకొక్కడికి మాత్రమే తెలుసు. మీరందరూ కూడా క్షేమంగా సుక్షేమంగా దినదిన ప్రవర్తమానులై పెరగండి బంగారు. మీ ఫ్యూచరు, మీ ప్రజెంట్ నేను చూసుకుంటాను. నాకు వేరే స్థానం ఎక్కడా లేదు. మీ హృదయాలే నా యొక్క స్థానం. నా మనసంతా కూడాను నిరంతరము పిల్లలపైనే ఉన్నది. మీరు లేకపోతే నేను లేను.
Swami openly declares, without you, Swami is non-existent.
కనుక నేనుంటే మీరు, మీరుంటే నేను. I and you are one. I and you are one.
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि. जरिया हूँ मैं जरिया और उसकी कृपा दरिया दरिया है जो अखियाँ निर्मल दुनिया निर्मल चल का चल का चल 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 चल. ओ ज़ुबान कोई भी बोल दिल से तू बोल, या मिस्र सी हो या शहद सी हो. तू ज़रिया हूँ मैं ज़रिया और उसकी कृपा दरिया दरिया है जो अखियाँ निर्मल दुनिया निर्मल चल का चल का चल 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 चल. रोजा रसूल का सभी की निगाह में, हर कोई जा रहा है खुदा की पनाह में. अल्लाह मालिक एक सभी के लबों पे
our Sai brothers and sisters around the world who tirelessly upheld the teachings of our Divine Mother Sai. Manava Seve Madhava Seva. Service to mankind is service to God.
सांसों में तू ही तू धड़कन में तू ही तू दिल में है मेरे रात दिन शाम सवेरे वो फिर उजाले अंधेरे तू हर पल साथ है मेरे हरे रामा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 रामा हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे तू है मेरे एहसासों में मेरा जहां है तेरी छैया तू है मेरे जज्बातों में मेरा जहां है तेरी भैया
ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా, సాయిని సంతోషపెట్టేటువంటివి సేవలే. సాయి చేసేటువంటిది కూడాను సేవలే. సాయి చెప్పేటువంటిది కూడాను సేవలే. ఈ విధమైనటువంటి యొక్క ఉత్తమ భావములతో విశాలమైన హృదయములతో సమాజంలో ప్రవేశించి సేవలు సలపండి. అదే సాయికి సంతృప్తికరమిచ్చేటువంటిది.
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 रामा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे
నాకు నీకు డైరెక్ట్ కనెక్షన్ ఉంటుండాలి.
There is direct connection between you and Bhagavan.
మన సన్నిహిత సంబంధ బాంధవ్యం ఎవ్వరూ తెంచడానికి వీలు కాదు.
None can break this permanent, intimate, connecting link.
ఎక్కడికన్నా పోండి,
You may go anywhere.
ఎక్కడ చూసినా ఒక్కడి సాయి మక్కువై ఉన్నాడు.
You may see here or there, anywhere, only one Sai is there.
మీరు ఏ గ్రామం పోయినా కూడాను, ఎక్కడ పోయి మీ ఉద్యోగం చేసినా మీ వెంటనే జంటనే ఇంటనే ఉంటాను.
You may go to any village, you may take up a job anywhere, but Bhagavan is always with you.
ఆ భావాన్ని మాత్రం మీరు భద్రంగా చేసుకోండి.
Treasure that feeling, that thought.
నా వెంటనే ఉన్నాడు,
Swami is with me.
అనేటువంటి భావాన్ని దృఢం చేసుకోండి.
Strengthen that thought more and
నువ్వు
more.
ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా నీ నీడ వస్తుండాలి కదా.
Your shadow follows you wherever you go.
నేను నీడనే.
Bhagavan is your shadow.
నాట్ షాడో. నీలో ఉన్నటువంటి ఒక దీన్నే దాన్ని నిరూపిస్తూ ఉంటాడు.
Not merely shadow, he is indweller, he is in you.
కనుక I am you, you are mine.
Oh, Swami says, I am you and you are mine.
ఈ రెండింటి సంబంధాన్ని భద్రంగా పెంచుకోండి.
Treasure this feeling more and more, strengthen this.
ప్రేమ ముదిత మనసే కహో రామ 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 శ్రీ రామ రామ పాపకటే దుఃఖమికే దేత రామనా భవ సముద్ర సుఖదనా ఏక రామ పరమ శాంతి సుఖనిదా దివ్య రామ భక్త జనర జీవనదన ఏక రామ माता पिता बंधु सखा सबकी राम भक्त जनर जीवन एक राम
जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे ईश्वरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपद्बान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरि अन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरि अन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंदर गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति